Okay, these are the notes for function, so we're just going to go through the vocab first. A function assigns exactly one output to each input. So the input is the same as the x values, and the output is the same as the y values. So the key thing to know is that the x values do not repeat. So each x can go to exactly one y value. And the way that the questions will look whenever you're completely done with the notes is you're going to have like 4 different types of way that they can present a relation to you, and then you have to decide either yes or no if it is a function. Okay, so we'll be looking at some graphs. We have to decide yes or no, is this graph a function? We'll be looking at some tables like this for a yes or no, is it a function? A list of ordered pairs for yes or no, is it a function? And the last one that's new is this with these ovals and these arrows. This is called a mapping. So that's the different ways that the problem can look. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. So this just explains that they can show you those relations in those 4 different ways. The ordered pairs. So the ordered pairs represents a function if each x has only one y value. A graph represents a function if it passes the vertical line test. So the vertical line will only cross the graph of the data at one point. So anywhere on that graph, if you can just draw vertical lines, each vertical line can only hit one point, then it is a function. For a table, it will be a function if the x value only goes to one y. So basically you're checking to see that your x's don't repeat. Because if your x number repeats, then there's multiple y's, and we only want each x to have one y. A mapping represents a function if each x has only one y value. So the mapping is the one with the ovals. So we'll check to see if on the left side the arrow leaving each number only has like one arrow. So if there's an arrow that branches from a number on the left, like it has 2 leaving just one number, that's showing me that that x has those 2 y's. So that would not be a function. Okay. So we're going to make up some examples